Hi, Jeff D'Angelis here from Di-Fi Consulting with our 15th installment of our Industry 4.0 Bootcamp series. Today's topic is on Industrial IoT. Before we start today's topic on Industrial IoT, I want to first give a shout out to Walker Reynolds of Intellect Integration for his inspirational videos and insights on Industrial IoT. So how do we define Industrial IoT? Simply put, Industrial IoT is the unification of IT and OT through a publish and subscribe industrial automation architecture that provides a transition from a linear-based information sharing approach across your enterprise to a hub and spoke-based architecture where information is published from the control and field levels of the factory floor into a unified namespace where the supervisory, planning, and management tools of the traditional automation pyramid subscribe to that same unified namespace by accessing data on demand. Simply put, Industrial IoT unlocks data reservoirs and provides access to all levels of the industrial automation pyramid. In traditional industrial automation companies, the field-level information is concentrated into the PLC. Then this PLC sends its data to a SCADA system to help initiate build orders and tracks when jobs are complete for shipment. In most companies, the OT level is where the status and production information are shared between the control of the PLC and the SCADA planning system. Above this level, the sharing of information into the MES and ERP systems is painfully challenging. At the top of the industrial automation pyramid sits the ERP and MES engines. These IT-level solutions are typically integrated, so information is readily shared between ERP engines and the MES planning engine. This allows customers to book new orders and the planning engine to schedule and confirm the ship dates on those orders. However, to achieve additional levels of integration among the 5 levels of the industrial automation pyramid, companies spend lots of time and money to ensure information can be accessed. But in most cases, companies give up trying due to the incompatibility of systems that require the creation of unique IT solution and patches. Unfortunately, I've been on the front line and seen the turmoil of these issues firsthand after acquiring 2 new companies that built unconventional products not supported by the legacy ERP, MES, and SCADA systems. The amount of time and dollars spent to force fit these new products into the legacy systems wreaked havoc with our legacy tools. This resulted in new integration challenges for our IT team as it led to hundreds of hours of difficult discussions with our CEO and finance group. In fact, 2 issues were never resolved and forced the company to manage multiple ERP and planning systems. In contrast, let's now look at a straightforward philosophy of an industrial IoT-enabled solution. Welcome to Industrial IoT and a revolutionary approach to providing accessibility to all industrial automation levels with a simplified hub and spoke architecture. At a high level, this approach is based on an industry-open data and file sharing system that relies on publishing data and subscribing to this data from a common unified namespace. This approach simplifies the tool sets and eliminates the need to spend millions of dollars to modify systems when new hardware is added. Now, any new equipment is defined and associated with that unified namespace, and it is instantaneously made available across all the management, planning, and supervisory tools that subscribe to the unified namespace. This allows a manufacturing facility to easily accommodate new products as needed. By simply unlocking this wealth of information and making it available to all levels of the industrial automation pyramid, it opens the door to add new subscribing tools like AI productivity algorithm software, or technology to monitor the health and status of the equipment on the factory floor. These new tools add another dimension to the Industry 4.0 factory by enabling increased productivity, saving energy, and eliminating waste. If you found today's installment on Industrial IoT interesting, then please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's installment, and thanks for listening. See you soon.